The check symbol in Microsoft Excel may be very useful for some people, usually used in making attendance. This check symbol can also be calculated using a formula in Microsoft Excel. As for creating or displaying a check symbol in Microsoft Excel, the method is very easy. Go to the Insert menu, then select Symbol, then in the Font section, then type or scroll to the bottom until you find Wingdings 2. After that, click until several symbols appear. Among these symbols, there is a check symbol. Click the check symbol. Then click Insert. The check symbol will automatically appear on the Excel worksheet. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.